Soon after Bill Chant about Zion roots. Don't know.
Aye, Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame, Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame, me rise again. Me see the storm pass by, Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong, me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain, it bring the rain. From the seed of sorrow bloom, new life consume, yeah. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite, me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around, Jah teach we how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side, faith be the guide. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. So when the night returns, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends.
Aye. Kaya and reggae music, yeah man. Me climb up the mountain tall. Jah hear me call, every step me rise. Me closer to the skies. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath my feet make my spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me say Jah walk with me, me never lose my faith. Jah love create, me look down on the plain. See mankind insane, the greed and hate them grow. But me still know, love are the real key, set we free. No man can block Jah way, me pray each day. Higher ground me see, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find, peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground, me climb through thunderstorm. Still Jah keep me warm, every struggle build my soul. Make me whole, me feel Jah wine caress. My soul bless, me see the sunrise bright. Pure delight, me chant for every soul. Reach Jah goal, me lift me onto sky. Never say goodbye, Jah guide the climb, me try. Me trust in God, one step, one song. Carry me along. Higher ground me see, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find, never stop. Jah glory surround. Me respond on your ground.
Na ganja and Rasta man, reggae man. Me hear the river call me name. Wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong, carry me soul along. Me walk through valley low, still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy upon me chest. Jah give me rest, the current led me home. No man walk alone, every drop of memory. Freedom energy. Me see the children play by shore. Laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze, set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace. Peace upon my face. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, Just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear. Truth conquer fear. Me wash me sorrow clean. New life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song. Where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light. Darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew. Just shine through. Me chant for every nation. Pure salvation. River deep and wide. Mirror the sky. Jah call me near. No more fear. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. Jah spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Yeah. When we reach the ocean wide, rest by Jah side. River flow eternally. Set all spirit free.
Meditate and elevate your man. Me hear the people chant tonight. Truth shining bright. One rhythm, one soul, one way. Jah guide we every day. Me stand in the crowd so wide. Love on every side. Me feel the beat of unity. Jah melody free. Me no care about fame or name. Only the righteous flame. One voice for the nation. Pure vibration. Me see the warriors stand strong. Me hear the ancient song. From Africa to the world. Freedom unfurled. Jah children spread the sound. Roots profound. Each lyric plant the seed of Jah creed. One voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love
for every man, Jah master plan. Me feel the drum beat deep inside, spirit collide. Me see the elders sway, praise Jah every day. Music heal the pain, wash away the chain. Me chant for the youth them rise, open them eyes. Each note a revolution, pure solution. Jah message carry far like a shooting star. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Jah always near. No division, no fight. One light tonight. Hey, one voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. When the stage light fade away, Jah music stay. One voice, one song, forever bound.
Aye, aye, aye. Rastafari's in the jungle. Aye, 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 da, 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 da. Aye, 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 da, 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 da. Ah, hey, silver streams flow from the stone. Rivers sing a righteous tone. Washing scars from ancient days, carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Da 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 da. Underneath the morning sun, river blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by Chant. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Da 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 da. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with joy delight. Da 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 da. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress fade to sand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River say the truth is near. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide
Rivers of redemption wide and pure, carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River moved by Jah will, strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory.
Free the people and the animals, yeah, man.
Smoke arise from Zion Peak. Fire speak what word can't speak. Blazing torch of holy flame. Fire call Jah mighty name. Darkness flee before the light. Mountain fire burns so bright. Every stone begin to glow. Fire teach what we must know. Shepherds stand with staff in hand. See the fire cleanse the land. Thunder roar and voices sing. Fire crown the rightful king. Babylon fortress melt away. Fire mark the righteous day. Every shadow, every lie. Fire consume beneath the sky. Pilgrims climb the sacred hill. Feel the fire, spirit fill. Heart ignite with holy song. Fire guide them all along. Eagle circle, drums resound. Fire shake the solid ground. Glorious blaze, eternal sign. Fire prove Jala divine. Even night cannot conceal. Fire of Zion strong and real. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall. Fire of truth consume them all. Every ember, spark of grace. Fire of mercy fill the place. Glowing bright from age to age. Fire of Jah rewrite the page. Generations bow in awe. Fire fulfill the holy law. Everlasting flame, so pure. Fire of truth will still endure. Torch eternal, shining guide. Fire of Zion will not hide. Sacred flame, both strong and right. Fire of Jah destroy the night. Burn, burn, holy flame. Glorify Jah mighty name. Rise, rise, mountain glow. Fire of Zion overflow. Fire on the mountain blazing high. Light of freedom fill the sky. Never fading, never gone. Fire of Zion still live on. Torch eternal, bold and free. Fire declare the victory. Fire declare.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae, man. Hear the thunder Voice of Jah, his mighty hand, echoed deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove Jah holy might. Strong. Thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign. Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Try to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme. Thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Generations lift the hand. Thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free. Thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shine Jah holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame. Thunder glorify Jah name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. See the fire on the mountain rise. Blaze of truth light up the skies. No more dark, no hidden lie. Zion flame make Babylon cry. Every spark a holy sign. Every blaze a word divine. Children freedom call. No more chain fi hold at all. River flow with holy heat. Jah fire guide the people's feet. In a valley, in a town, Zion fire never drown. Touch of love we pass along. Fire blaze in every song. Ancient flame forever bright. Zion fire guide the night. Flame igniting heart and hand. Burn the lies across the land. Mountain rise with light so clear. Fire of Zion always near. No storm, no flood, no wall of stone can dim the fire
it nourish tree, it feed the land. River guided by Chant. Every stream a holy song. Every wave the righteous strong. It heal the wounded, bless the poor. River open every door. From source to sea, it never cease. River of Zion carry peace. Me drink the water, me soul restored. River flow from Jaja Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. It call the people, call them home. River say no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what we seek. Forever strong, forever near. River of Zion flowing clear. When the trumpet call again, river wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky. From Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide. Love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah forever safe. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion flow evermore. Aye, aye, aye. Reggae of Zion, King, yeah, man. Early morning dew pa me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me not need riches, me not need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love
over lead me every day, yeah. Missy mountain, Missy valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I throw me shade, but Jah give I strength. Me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something for ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me, me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day, yeah. Me meet elders on me trail. Them share wisdom like Holy Grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day.
Na 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 na. Zion reggae. Deep inna the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free. Carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. All the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel your spirit like a friend. He tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play,
flashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Jah hand. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow. Zion river always know it find a way through rock and sand. Spread Jah love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip. Feel Jah blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul. Make me spirit pure and whole. River whisper, child don't fear. Jah kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingil drum so sweet. From morning light till setting sun, river of Zion still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. Me see the elder staff in hand, bless the water and bless the land. River run till time is true, flow with love so pure and true. Flow high, flow low, through the hills and valleys slow. Bring life, bring peace, till all the sorrow cease. No chain, no gate, no wall can stop the Zion river call. River of Zion, flow and free, carry Jah love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. From mountain top to ocean deep, river of Zion we always keep. Yeah man, Rasta man is I man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain, heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw, and me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never see. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright. The herb me guide, the chant me shield. Me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the pot and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon walls soon tumble down. Love are wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer inna the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them inna the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the air with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jaja blessings always here. Even when the war drum play, me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue. Sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant for the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun set in a west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder, wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, fi help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a
sorrow through, piercing lies with your light too. Chant high, chant low, like river, it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant feed the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant feed the people just the same. Chant feed the people day and night, guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jaja love we always keep.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Built with stone of living word, temple of Zion, voices heard. No man hand could raise so high. Temple built by Jah Most High, it stand forever, never fall. Holy temple fi all call. Every prayer a sacred sound. Temple bless the holy ground. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. It glow with fire, glow with flame. Temple call Jah holy name. It rise above the earth below. Temple where the faithful go. It bless the elder, guide the youth. Temple shine the way of truth. Every stone a prayer of song. Temple stand both firm and long. Me walk inside, me heart at peace. Temple chant just sweet release. No war inside, no hate, no fight. Temple shine with holy light. It heal the sick, it feed the poor. Temple open every door. Forever strong, forever sure. Temple of Zion standing pure. It echo sound of Nyabingi. Temple call for unity. It lift the soul, it lift the hand. Temple bless the holy land. It guard the humble, guard the meek. Temple truth the people seek. Forever shining, never dim. Temple sing Jah holy hymn. When the trumpet call at last, temple stand from future past. It welcome righteous, welcome true. Temple always calling you. No wicked plan can break the wall. Temple of Jah stand for all.
of Zion always stay. Yeah. Old Rasta upon the way, I'm Aye, 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 aye. Old Rasta upon the way, I'm
In the garden secrets grow, hidden truth we come to know. Every flower, every vine, teach the soul our word divine. Roots go deep, the branches tall. Garden bless and guide us all. Every color, every shade, garden where the light is made. Elders sit beneath the tree, garden sing of prophecy. Birds them carry sacred song, garden teach where we belong. Babylon cannot enter here, garden keep the spirit clear. Every leaf a book of truth, garden guide the heart of you. Morning dew and evening rain, garden heal the world of pain. River flow and sunlight shine, garden show the plan divine. No more hunger, no more fear, garden make the blessing near. Every path a righteous way, garden turn the night to day. Seasons change but still it grow, garden where the spirit flow. Fruit of mercy, seed of peace, garden gift that never cease. Babylon ox may swing in vain, garden truth remain again. Everlasting, bold and free, garden guard eternity. Generation gather round, gotta make the holy sound. Wisdom bloom from age to age, garden write the righteous page. Every voice a sacred hymn, garden light will never dim. Ever pure, forever bright, garden shine your holy light. Grow, grow, holy seed, garden give us all we need. Shine, shine, wisdom flame, garden glorify your name. Garden of wisdom, strong and true, teach the people what to do. Bloom forever, never fade, garden where your light is made. Sacred blessing, pure delight, garden shine both day and night. I don't know.
Bada bim, bada bim. Whoa, oh kushina me lung ya man.
Rise up, children of Jah. Morning light break the law. Babylon wall can't stand. Zion lion guard the land. Hear the roar inna the drum. Rasta know the king of it come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. so tall. Just salvation for all. From desert sand to ocean shore. Zion lion roar once more. Lion of Zion, protect we all. Truth stand firm like solid stone. Never leave the throne. Echo loud in heart and sky. Lion of Zion, never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land